Michael Saylor says that he will never stop buying Bitcoin. And at the same time, on-chain data points to declining retail participation. We can confirm this by going on Google Trends, putting in how to buy Bitcoin, and we can see that the relevancy is at an all-time low. The ETFs for Bitcoin are really changing the game this market. You can see here that Bitcoin is the closest to its prior all-time high pre-halving than ever before, and by a significant margin. As you can see, the previous 3 times, it's been around 60 to 70% from its all-time high prior to the halving. This time we are only 30% away, and we still have 2 months to go. Bitcoin has been trading this parallel channel for the past few days between 50,500 and 53,000, and I think it's about to break out. And there's a few indicators we can look at. If we look here, this shows the quarterly retail trading volume on Coinbase, and as you can see, we've had a massive increase this quarter, going from 11 billion to 29 billion. And the last time we had an increase like this was Q4 in 2020, which was right as the previous bull run was starting. And if we go here, we can also look at the RSI. So the past 3 times, the RSI of Bitcoin on the monthly chart has been over 70, has been right after the previous 3 halvings. This time, we're about to cross it, and we're still 2 months before the halving. So what could happen if we break this resistance? As you can see, we tried to break that 52,200 resistance, but we failed. If we go back up and we manage to blow past that, there is minimal friction up until the 60,000 USD mark. And now looking at the altcoin market cap as well. So this is showing the market cap of Bitcoin dominance, and this wedge has been forming since 2017. And if we continue following this pattern, which is the most likely scenario, that means altcoin season is about to start as well. So moving back to the graphs, we'll just check on a few of the altcoins as well. So starting with the RIO network, you can see that it broke out of this wedge that had been forming since November. And last night it came back down and retested the breakout successfully. So only good things from here. Next up, we'll look at WorldCoin, and as you know, over the past week there's been a massive growth, and over the past few days there was a healthy little retrace. If we just draw a little line here, very rough, we can see that it's broken out again on the hourly time frame, and it's looking good. It's about to go push that all-time high again. Next up is Polkadot, which has been in this wedge that has been forming since December. Looks like it's about to reach the end, and if it does, looks like it's going to be a positive breakout. There's a lot of good things coming to Polkadot. Polkadot 2.0 is going to significantly upgrade the network, and I'll make a separate video on that because there's too much to talk about. There's a lot of other alts that I'm keeping an eye on, and I'm posting my live research, so if you want to stay updated with that, just head on my Twitter. I'll have a link in the description. And you can also find some more info on the website at getdigital.com.